Hello friends. Welcome you in my channel with new video. First of all, Happy New Year 2080. Wish your day will gone happily today. Okay, let's come to the point. Today I am going to make 3 identity card by the request of my subscriber. So without any delay, let's get started. But wait guys, I have something to tell you. Please don't forget me at the end of this video to subscribe my channel to watch this type of video.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.